Here's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, driver memory seats, remote engine start, Pioneer sound system, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.